Our detailed comparisons are made possible by users who subscribe. Please support us and subscribe.
Okay, so we're comparing two Philips 3200 Series Espresso Machines, both renewed. Let's dive in.
Sounds good. I see one is ASINB08193D1RN and the other is B0BMNXTS48. Is there much difference besides being renewed?
Well, both have the LatteGo system for milk frothing, which is great, and they both make 5 different types of coffee. They both even weigh the same, 21.6 pounds.
Okay, so far, pretty similar. What about dimensions? Space is always a consideration, you know?
Good point. The older model, B08193D1RN, is 15 inches deep, 10 inches wide, and 17 inches high. The newer one, B0BMNXTS48, is 17 inches deep, 10 inches wide, and 15 inches high. So the newer one is a bit deeper, but shorter.
A bit of a trade-off there. Anything else stand out? Like, does one grind finer or something?
Actually, they both have 12-step adjustable ceramic grinders, so grind-wise they seem identical. But the newer model, B0BMNXTS48, specifically mentions being designed for iced coffee.
Ah, that's a key difference. So it brews at a lower temperature for iced coffee, so it doesn't get watered down?
Exactly. It has a special brewing system for that. The older model doesn't highlight that iced coffee feature. That's probably the biggest functional difference, I think.
Makes sense. And what about price? Are they both around the same?
Both are listed around $599, but you might find slight variations depending on the seller, especially since they're renewed. The older one has multiple sellers, some offering it slightly cheaper.
Okay, so if you're a big iced coffee fan, the newer one, B0BMNXTS48, seems like the better choice. But if you just want a standard espresso machine and maybe want to save a few bucks, the older one, B08193D1RN, could work.
Yep, that pretty much sums it up. Both are solid choices, but that iced coffee feature is a definite selling point for the newer model. Also, the newer model claims to keep the beans fresh for longer thanks to the aroma seal.
Good to know. Thanks for the comparison.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.